Hughes presents Bird of Paradise. Bangalore has always been the preferred destination for technology-driven companies. Investors and job hunters from around the globe throng this Silicon Valley of India for its investment potential and the amazing opportunities it offers. Further fueling this boom is the flurry of development happening around the new international airport. Bird of Paradise, situated well before the Kempegowda International Airport at Devanahalli, is a hassle-free drive on the signal-free expressway on Bellary Road. Just off the Bellary Road, a wide 4-lane road leads up to the Sir M. Visvesvaraya Institute of Technology, Stonehill International School and the Gurukula School further up. The Padukone Dravid Sports Centre is a beacon for youngsters from all over the city. Surrounded by acres of greenery all around, Bird of Paradise is a haven of serenity and bliss. Devanahalli and the area surrounding the international airport has become the hub of activity for the financial city, aerospace parks, several SEZs including the ITIR region and public sector units springing up around it. Bird of Paradise is in the cusp of all these developments, promising to fetch you an attractive return on your investment. Bird of Paradise is a 30-acre layout where the joy of owning your share of the good earth brings an incomprehensible sense of fulfillment. Bird of Paradise is planned meticulously and is being efficiently executed to meet your expectations. A grand and contemporary entrance arch for Bird of Paradise houses the security for a 24/7 vigil across the entire layout. It is just a precursor to the many delightful features we are offering you. The plot development is extensively well landscaped and well-connected internal roads with tree-lined avenues. The utilities are all underground and well laid out. On offer are Vastu-compliant sites in different sizes to suit your family's requirement and to fit your budget. Features like the overhead tank and rainwater harvesting are in place to ensure constant water supply. A play park to match the bubbly energy of your tiny tots. The jogging tracks and the outdoor exercise arena are a delight for the fitness enthusiasts. The Butterfly Park and the Aroma Garden are designed to provide a rewarding treat to the senses. An activity zone will bring out the sportsperson in every family. The basketball court, volleyball court and the cricket nets will be the favorite haunt of teenagers. The yoga and meditation zone are designed to leave you refreshed. Parks and gardens at every step. Rather than build on nature, we have built around nature, where you can enjoy a sense of space and serenity. An amphitheater for the performing arts or conducting events. We invite you to build your home at Bird of Paradise. Come and experience the world of independence and true freedom of living, aesthetic and eco-friendly designs, guaranteed living comforts, highest quality standards, and excellent location with connectivity ensures exponential appreciation of your investment.